Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology senior Python developer for company TIGI HR. The location is Bangalore. It's a hybrid work mode, and the responsibilities should be well versed in with the OOPS language, and the requirements are bachelor's degree in computer science or related field, at least 4 years of experience in Python software developer, and excellent communication in the skill and ability to work collaboratively with across the functional teams. The second technology is Java full stack developer for the company Claritus Management Consulting Private Limited. The location is Bangalore. The third technology is Backend developer for the company FloBiz. The location is Bangalore. The roles and responsibilities will be you will be working for the fast-paced and agile work culture, delivering technology products that have the immediate business impacts. The requirements are 1 to 3 years of core software engineering experience in the product startup and hands-on development experience with at least two programming languages, including dynamically typed and objective-oriented languages, preferably like Ruby and Java. And the fourth technology is backend developer. The company FloBiz. The requirements are 1 to 3 years of experience in a core software engineering. And the fourth technology is Java developer for the company Manasvini Global Solution. The location is Bangalore. The requirements are bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or related field, 3+ years of experience in software development with a focus on banking domain. They are looking for total work experience as 4 and Java 3 years and Spring 3 years. The fifth technology is Java developer for the company TCS, locations Bangalore. They are looking for 3 to 6 years of experience candidate with the minimum 15 years of full education is required. And the mail ID is given so that you can send your resumes to this email ID. The email ID will be given in the video description. The link will be given in the video description, so download it directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for more job details. Thank you.